Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make my beach nails. Here are the products you'll need: a dark blue, a light blue, a beige color or sandy tan color, white, and I forgot to show it, but you'll also need a regular clear coat and a gel clear coat. You need both. And then you'll need a piece of saran wrap or plastic wrap, and a cuticle pusher or orange stick, and a makeup sponge. I have some sand that I actually got from the beach, but you can buy this sand at the craft store, and then optional is some bling, and you'll need some gem gel for that if you decide to do it. And now I'm gonna get my makeup sponge and dampen it with some water and apply my color in the gradient that I want, starting with tan, the lighter blue, and then the darker blue down at the bottom, making sure to slightly overlap the colors. Once you have all your color on your sponge, you can start applying it to your nail with a light dabbing motion. And once that is completely dry, you can go in and do a second coat, doing the same dabbing motion. And now it's time to apply the sand. I just put a little bit of clear gel top coat where I want the sand to be, and then just do a few little dots into the blue to kind of make it fade out. And now I just use a little container to catch the loose sand and pour it over the top. Shake off the excess and add any more now if you want. Make sure it's perfect. Now pop it in the lamp to cure. Once you're done curing, you can use a brush to remove any excess sand. And now I take my gel top coat again and put it on the rest of the nail, making sure to overlap onto the sand a little bit. Now place your saran wrap on top of the wet gel polish and use your cuticle pusher or orange stick to move the plastic around on top of the nail and create the wave effect. Just keep playing with it until it looks like water and you're happy. Once it looks perfect, pop it in the lamp to cure. Now peel off the saran wrap and you have an awesome, wavy, realistic water texture. Now I just take a medium grit file and just clean up the edges a little bit. Now you go in with your regular polished clear coat and just put a little layer down and add just a little touch of white in a few random places. And now I grab my clear coat again and just use that to smudge and blend the white so it looks like sea foam. It's very random and messy, the grooves in the nail will kind of catch the white and help do the work for you. Now once that polish is completely dry, you can top it off with a gel top coat. Just be careful not to get it onto the sand. Cure that for a minute. And now, as an optional step, you can add some bling. I found these really cute starfish and seashell bling sets on Amazon, and I just thought they were perfect for these nails. And I'm using GA and EN rhinestone glue gel. Once you're done placing the bling down, pop it back in the lamp to cure, and you're all done. You have beautiful beach nails. Thanks so much for watching, and please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Thanks so much. Bye guys.